mic or a spliff. Yes, my gift is to amaze you all. Thought I couldn't come for 10, my friend, but guess what? I slay niggas and still saving my best nut. But you better cover your eyes, cause you never know when I spit it out and start some flow in. I drop rhymes that grow like trees you're smoking. Eardrums feel like lungs, your brain's